So how do you propose implementing technologies that gets around the siloing issues?
So that's where our our systems design approach, I think, shines. The process abstraction layer is what enables us to bring that systems design approach to bear, to look at the actual human workflows. What's the work that's getting done? What has to be done? And if you can um, abstract or decouple the logic from the demand of that specific piece of software or that system that you have to comply with, and isolate the functionality or the functions that are happening along the way. Um, I need the research to be done for the kin to be identified. I need, and that might mean hitting 7 different data sources. What's how best do we do that? Can we automate some of that? Can we have researchers that do that and then feed into the caseworker or the engagement liaison that and then processing, reaching out to those individuals. Who's best able to do that? Appointment setting, scheduling, qualifying that person from are they really who we think they are? Do they have an interest? If we have 70 kin identified, who's interested, who's available, or who's overwhelmed already with the situation that they're in, so that the engagement liaison or the caseworker can start conversations with the people that are willing and able. Um, you know, changing the balance of effectiveness of, instead of making 20 calls today, I'm making 3, and I'm meeting with people that have availability and resources and willingness to intervene in the life of this child.